Biology Chapter 10, Cell Cycle and Cell Division of Class 11. Mitosis. It is the cell division occurring in somatic cells. It is also called as the equational division, as the number of chromosomes in the parent and progeny cells is same. Mitosis is generally seen in diploid cells. It also occurs in haploid cells of some lower plants and some social insects. It involves major reorganization of all cell components. The karyokinesis of mitosis has four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase. Prophase, which is first stage of mitosis, follows the S and G2 phase of interphase. In the S and G2 phase, the new DNA molecule formed are not distinct but interwoven. Prophase is marked by the initiation of condensation of chromosomal material. The chromosomal material becomes unangled during the process of chromatin condensation. The centriole, which has undergone duplication during S phase of interphase, now begin to move towards opposite pole of the cell. The completion of prophase can thus be marked. The completion of prophase can thus be marked by the following characteristic events. Chromosomal material condenses to form compact mitotic chromosomes. Chromosomes are seen to be composed of two chromatids attached together at the centromere. Initiation of the assembly of mitotic spindle, the microtubules, the proteinaceous component of the cell cytoplasm help in the process. Centrosomes being to move towards opposite pole of the cell. Each centrosome radiate out microtubule called esters. The two esters together with spindle fiber forms mitotic aperture. Mitosis. Metaphase. The complete disintegration of the nuclear envelope marks the start of the second phase of mitosis. During this stage, morphology of chromosome can be studied easily. Chromosomes located in the middle are made up of two single chromosomes. They are held together by the centromere. Small disc-shaped structure at the surface of the centromere are called kinetochores. These structures serve as the site of attachment of spindle fiber. Spindle fibers attached to the chromosome are moved into position at the center of the cell. Hence, the metaphase is used by ALK, the chromosome coming to lie at the equator with one chromatid of each chromosome connected by its kinetochore to spindle fiber from the opposite pole. The plane of alignment of the chromosome at metaphase is referred to as the metaphase plate. The key features of metaphase are: 1. Spindle fibers attached to kinetochore of chromosome, and 2. Chromosomes are moved to spindle equator and get aligned along metaphase plate through spindle fibers to both poles. Anaphase. At the onset of anaphase, each chromosome arranged at the metaphase plate is split simultaneously, and the two daughter chromatids are now referred to as chromosomes of the further daughter nuclei begin their migration towards two opposite poles. As each chromosome moves away from the equatorial plate, the centromere of each chromosome is towards the pole and hence at the leading edge, with the arms of chromosome trailing behind. Thus, anaphase stage is characterized by the following key event. 1. Centromeres split and chromatids separate. Second, chromatid move to opposite poles. Prophase. Prophase, which is first stage of mitosis, follows the S and G2 phase of interphase. In the S and G2 phase, the new DNA molecule formed are not distinct but interwoven. Prophase is marked by the initiation of condensation of chromosomal material. The chromosomal material becomes unangled during the process of chromatin condensation. The centriole, which has undergone duplication during S phase of interphase, now the completion of prophase can thus be marked by the following characteristic events. Chromosomal material condenses to form compact mitotic chromosomes. Chromosomes are seen to be composed of two chromatids attached together at the centromere. Initiation of the assembly of mitotic spindle, the microtubules, the proteinaceous mitosis. Cytokinesis in plant cell. Plant cells, however, are enclosed by a relatively inextensible cell wall. Therefore, they undergo cytokinesis by a different mechanism. In plant cells, wall formation starts in the center of the cell and grows outward to meet the existing lateral walls. The formation of the new cell's wall begins with the formation of simple precursor called the cell plate that represent the middle lamellae between the walls of adjacent cells. In some organisms, karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, as a result of which multinucleated conditions arise leading to the formation of syncytium. For example, liquid endosperm in coconut. Here is the overall steps of mitosis. Significance of mitosis. Mitosis, or the equational division, is usually restricted to the diploid cells only. However, in some lower plants and in some social insects, haploid cells also divide by mitosis. Mitosis usually results in the production of diploid daughter cells with identical genetical complement. The growth of multicellular organisms is due to mitosis. Cell growth results in disturbing the ratio between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. It is therefore become essential for the cell to divide to restore the nucleo-cytoplasmic ratio. A very significant contribution of mitosis is called cell repair. The cells of the upper layer of the epidermis, cells of the lining of the guts, and blood cells are being constantly replaced. Mitotic divisions in the meristematic tissues, the apical and the lateral cambium, result in the continuous growth of plants throughout their life. Thank you.